Jadi dah kerja tahu ni, program mana? Aku ani kita nak tahu ni, berarti ni malah itu mah Paris. Aku aki tenai ke malah, dia Paris pada orang tanah ni. Apa yang tulang? Ada PJ Joseph, apa itu mah pada Rodip Principal, isi sisar atau apa yang isi sisar atau apa yang asal break pen itu tahu tu dah jemlong bicara principal apa kamera soal kamera apa nanti nanti syarat tu itu bagi kita itu mana jurulong itu apa ini ke first of all I am very grateful for giving this opportunity to speak. Though I am not given this one because I am not a father, I am a bachelor. Okay? You find that here I will tell you. Okay? So I also take this opportunity to revenge our secretary. Secretary, I want to ask one question to our secretary. If a person is married and he has no children, do you call him a father? Or do you call him this one, that one? Or will you base him or not? If married,
if it is married, then he is a man, not a bachelor. So the status will be in a man. So he will receive. Where there is no children or child, there is no one to call you father. But you may adopt, and that particular child will call you father.
Thank you, Secretary, for giving me a good answer. Now, today is Father's Day. It's a very I take this opportunity. That what is the responsibility? I take a few words. I already spoken too much. The responsibility of a father is towards his sons is very good, very great. Not only that he's responsible towards his children, but he is responsible towards his society. He is responsible towards God. More importantly, you see, fathers, the meaning of a father, the responsibility of a father is quite broader. There is a broader sense. Your responsibility is quite broad. Not only your family, you are responsible towards society also, you are responsible towards God. The same itu semua video perhatian itu, nah hem sampai lagi nak sabi lagi society wrong apa? Kan tu wrong ini perhatian Paris kami Paris society orang kami berada sih, apa anak itu tanah itu ठीक नहीं, tapi itu and bicara ni, not only that you have to give food and shelter, you have to educate them, you have to give them, you are responsible that he is a fear of God. Nak cuma dia ada teman anak mana family, right? Nak cuma itu tu. Kasi, for instance, I give you example. Nak cuma pada dia, mama pada no, itu cuma pada dia itu pulau, sudah pada dia, nak cakap itu cuma somar pada. Dan sekali itu waktu itu, helang pada si bicara macam itu. Itu sudah pada sesuatu itu dia. Turun pada, ada somar. Kata itu dia pada itu, apa nak bersebut. Kodak kamu kita ambil tu ke father, mana dah itu, nasi father dah itu TV, tapi itu example ke itu kepada sebenarnya ke kota father ke kepada pulau, ni cuma pucuk lagi, kalau dia mau putar lagi dia akan pu, nasi society lo dah pu dia agak ini, tapi itu example tu, itu bagian orang tolong itu, ini Abraham. Pan kemulah pun nang dia berkat dan nang sulit lagi itu dia rasa sulit. Tapi saudara pun ada itu membeli titik itu masalah itu macam apa nanti di mata itu tapi itu anak di picot kali itu sekolah favorit contoh dalam itu yang di kelas itu sudah punya itu macam asal mana sih nampan favorit nampan favorit mata itu sih ada itu titik nasi itu macam itu foto macam itu tengok tengok apa itu perkara ada foto macam itu tengok holo nasi itu lagi mau kita cari perkembangan hebat lagi tanjung.
Sudah parlo, San Francisco han, alami hampu hambang, awila ham setar kosong lo, berbagai macam lo. Dokter kai beri bijak di dari titik le, anak yang cumi dari orang pidonan dari atas lambat ham cumi sen lo, kadoi dari cara bijak ha, sama